Welcome to Pastime Tech. My name is Teddy, and tonight we are looking at a Sony VCR model SLV-799HF. I know it's from the year 1997 because the manual that comes with this unit had the year 1997 at the back of it as the copyright. So all right, so this unit is a very interesting unit. It's got some great features. It's got an easy way to set the channel, to set the the timer and the clock. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And then it's got this one right here, Reality Regenerator. I can't wait to show you folks that feature. That is something else. So we'll take a look at that and more in just a moment here. First, we'll look at the back of this unit, and we have very simple connections. We have an S-Link connection in and out, which I have to admit, I didn't have a moment to look that up. I don't know what that does. There's something to do with the cable box. So if anyone would care to shed some light on that, I'd really appreciate it. Just drop a comment to me. And it's got composite connections. You got your in, you got your out, and out has an outer what for the video and the left and right audio, how we're connecting it to the HD TV I have here. So let's take a look at the sticker. It's a Sony for sure, and it's got that same model number that I read just a moment ago, and it doesn't really have much else on it that gives us any good information. Definitely not the year, but yeah, we have, you know, it's got VCR plus, and then with VCR plus C3 all set and passcode trade. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what all those are. I should really know what all those are. I feel bad. I should really study up on that a little more. And it's got your antenna connection. So, all right, let's turn it back around here this way. This is not the actual remote that that would normally come with this unit, but you'll be happy with this. This remote actually does all the functions that the other remote would. It looks very much like it too. So let's take a look at the front. We have another set of composite connections. Wow, I'm really tired tonight. And there we go. And then we got our VCR plus gold symbol there. So that was, I know what that is. That's you used to be able to look in the TV guide before you had the Google, and you could look up the there's code numbers, and you could set and you can just type them into. I never had a VCR like this. It was too much, but too expensive. But you could type I guess you could type the number in that the number for what time the show was, and so if you wanted to watch like the A-Team like on Tuesday at 8 o'clock, there's probably a code for that, and you could just enter that code and it would set everything for you. Okay, we got reality regeneration, which we have to actually have the VCR have a tape in to do that. And you got your input selections. We can press that right now, and I can show you that. That'll just change where the input is right here. So that's easy enough. And then we have easy setup. I believe that is going to make the on-screen menu come on. Yeah. So you still do need the remote for this. I did find that you still need the remote for this. So interestingly enough, you need the remote still, because there's other, you have to have like the cursor and all that on the well, maybe, yeah, up here, yep, the cursor functions and stuff. So it's handy to have it on there, but you can't control everything with it. So you have your tracking, and then you got your dial. This dial is interesting because you push this here. I'll zoom in on that. This is very handy. Not quite as impressive as reality regeneration, but like let's go ahead and push that. Now you can set your clock. So let's say we want to set it for, well, what time actually is it? It's 7. The time of this video filming, it's 7:37. So I can set that for 7:37 now. Let's see here. There you go. So actually it would be PM too, but that's okay. All right. So that's the there you go. I think I got it. Okay. Oh. There you go. So yeah, I have it set now. I have it set for 7:37 a.m. and I got the wrong time of the day. I have it AM instead of PM, but I pretty much, see how easy it was to set. I never had a VCR that had a dial like that. That's so cool. All right, so let's I think I shut this. I think it shut off because it got set. So let's turn it on again, and then let's get to the main thing. To show you, I want to show you the jog wheel too. And let me show you that. I want to show you the jog wheel, and then I want to go back to the reality regenerator Regenerator, but we have to have a tape in for this. So we're gonna put Titanic in. I haven't used this twice in a row. If you watched my last video, see I also used Titanic. So we're gonna have another James Cameron night, and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. Sorry, I got that in. It's playing now. And there's the Titanic, sunken Titanic, right? Okay. So let's let me. This is part one. Okay, so. Let me, all right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate I'm going to demonstrate that this unit can change modes. So we know the gears and the electronics are working in sync properly. So we are on play right now, and I'm going to do fast forward. Doing this from the remote at the moment. All right, let's play fast forward. Now I'm going to do play rewind. There we go. All right, now I'm going to do stop. Stop fast forward. See, I love it when they have timers too. This one, get the timer going. That's clear. Come on. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, good. Stop. Now we're gonna hit play again. All right. And now we're gonna hit stop. We're gonna rewind a little bit. It's at the beginning of the tape, so it's not gonna rev up. There we go. So that's under the ocean. All right, so now I'm going to, now I'm going to show you what the jog wheel does. Okay, so how am I going to do that? I'm going to show you, you can see it up here, but let's see here. How am I going to do that exactly? I mean, I guess I'll go at an angle like this. There we go. All right, so you push the jog on like that, see? And then now it's like, it's in a state of being paused, right? So now you just, you turn it this way a little bit. No, wait, am I doing it right? Yeah, no, hold on. I should have read how to do this. Let's try it again. You can go like little by little. See how I'm moving it little by little? Yeah, you can tell it's changing, but it's like moving almost a frame by frame. All right, now I'm going to turn it back the other way, I think. Oh, okay, I'm going to jog back the other way now. And see, it gets this little black and white thing when you're going backwards, see? I should have planned for this better, but yeah, there you go. So I like this kind of, you know, if you really want to get like that exact frame, you know, want to see exactly when they change. I'm going to go forward again. Exactly when they want to change to the other scene with the guy in the sub. Then you can do that. Let's see. There we go. Right there. Oop, back. Scoop vision. One frame, 3 frames. There we go. See right there. See, I can go back and forth a frame. So you can get that exact place you want. So, all right. So that's that. Now, let's hit play again. Now, we're going to show the reality regenerator. But I don't know about that, though. Because, like, if I push this, I'm afraid of all that water coming flooding in from the TV. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in right here like that, get it in focus. Okay, and then I'll go up and there we go. Okay, so let's hope it doesn't come flooding in. Oh man, I'm doing a terrible job here. All right, so you ready? I'm gonna push it. Oh, it was on. It was on already. Oh, there it is. There's a light right there. Now we know it's on. And the water is not coming flooding in from the North Atlantic Ocean. Thank goodness, because that's a big claim. Reality regenerator. I mean, man, it's just. I looked this up, and all that is supposed to do is make the picture look better. That's all it does. It's like more tracking basically, and so I guess if you've recorded something that looks kind of crummy after a while watching it, because I guess you've watched it over and over and over again, like your favorite episode of Deep Space Nine or something, and then you put on, you know, reality regenerator, and then it will fix it like new. I don't know, but that's like a bold claim for a 1990s VCR, though. I'm just saying. So, all right, I'm rambling now, like I always do. So, hey, I covered all the things I wanted to cover here, right? Yeah, we did the modes, we did the reality regenerator, we did the jog wheel. Okay, so I'm going to stop now. I don't want that on anymore. And we did the dial for the time. Okay, good. So now let's go ahead and eject the tape. I should hit stop first, but okay. We know that the remote works and all, so. Show you to need the tape. And this VCR is a little bit, it's a little bit worn now. So like, I'm gonna just tell you right now, it's got, you know, it shows how old it is. You know, it definitely is on some entertainment center, loved by somebody, because it's in the inside's in really good condition. I mean, like, it's in really good condition. In fact, the top doesn't even, it's got this one like scratch right here. It doesn't even have like the, what I would call the dance of the cable box on it. So, you know, but it definitely, it had some, it was moved around the entertainment center a bit. So it was kind of like bumped here, and it was also bumped over here. Over here, I mean, yeah, right. Whoops, I can't find it. Bumped here, which, yeah, that's a little bit of wear. But, you know, it's, I wouldn't say it's ugly. I've seen uglier, but it's definitely had some wear. And this video is going way long for just the VCR video. So let me put this tape in here and show that it's still, and show that it's this tape, and then I'm gonna be done. There we go. Escaping from the mental institution. Good. All right. So that's it. I'm gonna hit stop. I'm gonna eject that tape, and then I'm gonna say goodnight here. If you want to purchase this unit, there's an eBay link below. I appreciate the likes, the subscriptions, and the comments. And if you're in the market for tech which is past its time, come back and see what I feature next. Hasta la vista, baby.